everyone, how are you all? Welcome once again to the chemistry class. So let's begin with today's class. So today children, we shall discuss about corrosion and its preventive measures. So let's understand children, what is corrosion. Corrosion is a process where the metal corrodes. Corrosion is a natural process, and in the presence of a moist atmosphere, chemically active metals get corroded. Contrary to popular belief, rusting and corrosion are not the same. Rusting is the process where iron corrodes due to the exposure to the atmosphere. Corrosion is a process where the water or the moisture on the surface of the metal oxidizes with the atmospheric oxygen. It is an oxidation reaction. Children, as iron is an important structural metal, similarly aluminium is also an important structural metal, but even aluminium undergoes oxidation reactions. However, aluminium doesn't corrode or oxidize as rapidly as its reactivity suggests. An alloy of aluminium or any other metal like magnesium can make aluminium stronger, stiffer and harder. So now children, let's talk about the metal copper. The copper objects lose their shine after some time due to the formation of copper oxide on them. When a copper object reacts with moist carbon dioxide, it loses its shiny brown surface and gains a green coat, which is made up of basic copper oxide and which is a mixture of copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Yes children, now corrosion in case of iron. Actually, the corrosion of iron is called rusting. When an iron object is left in damp air for a considerable time, it gets covered with a red-brown flaky substance called rust. Rust is hydrated iron 3 oxide. The formula of rust is Fe2O3.NH2O. NH2O or XH2O means whatever is the number of water molecules attached to the formula unit. The two conditions necessary for rusting of iron is presence of air and water. For silver metal, silver articles become black after some time when they are exposed to air because the silver metal reacts with sulfur present in the air to form a coating of silver sulfide. That is why the silver articles become black after they are kept in the air open for some time. So now let's discuss about what are the methods to prevent rusting. There are main 5 methods to prevent rusting. Number 1 is by painting. Number 2 by applying grease or oil. Third is by galvanization. What do you mean by galvanization? It's the process of depositing a thin layer of zinc metal on the iron object. Fourth is by tin plating and chromium plating. And the fifth is by alloying it. So children, about the fifth method to prevent rusting, that is alloying, the details of what are alloys and how we do alloying will be discussed in the next class. Thank you Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries if you have any on the Google Classroom. Take care. God bless you all.